Guys, heto tayo sa Palpitate. So, ito yung nire-recommend namin sa inyo pag malapit ako dito. So, eto. Meron bumili tayo ng smoothie. Strawberry. I like it. But I will use the straw. Sarap talaga. Isang strawberry. At saka meron tayong tuna sandwich. At meron pa siyang ganito. Okay, nga pala yung order ni Marine sa dalawang. Nato hindi niya ubusin yan, guys. Kakait nga pala si Papa pag pinapakain ko siya ng marami. Kasi nagda-diet talaga.
$17,500, $100,340.
Wow.
Then I will have 1,200 left on the account there because every week is going 100 to
First meal, guys.
Lucas. And I have some bills. Okay.
I cannot finish this one. Can you give me some? Ito sa taas lang to ng NWOW, guys, yung building dito. May Honda yata yung nasa baba nila motor, tapos sa taas, sa Palpitate. So, bisitahin nyo din. Mura lang ang pagkain dito, solve na solve lang, saka quality pagkain dito.
Send this over to
Kaya guys, kain tayo. So, nagda-diet tayo, guys. Hindi na pwede kumain ng maraming kanin.
We still have for gambling.
We still have for gambling. So, ang sarap niya, guys.
Before when I sent everything, when I sent 17 something, we got 85.
Oh my God.
That's what we make for this now, 15,000 over that.
Tapos guys, ngayon ang Corona. Corona.
But before the Corona was 10 Corona, 1 euro. Now it's 11.65. This we lose a lot when we change in euro. If it's 10 for 1 euro, I'll have near to 2,000 euro.
I'm full.
We can pack down to Kuya.
I'm done.
Maybe like you have to use before.
Hmm.
4-5. Yeah, this is it.
I think they can pack
Yeah.
yours and this.
Yeah.
And we give the dinner and prayer.
How about in your evening? How if you are hungry? But you have something.
Put in the fridge too.
Mm-hmm.
They will stay.
They cannot eat up everything. Yeah.
I thought it was 2 pieces. Look, right? Or 4 pieces is 2 sandwiches. This is what I thought. Because it's half.
Tapos yung smoothie. Kailan kami nakalabas. Saka syempre namili kami ng konting machichibog pag-evening. Kasi hindi na ako pwedeng kumain ng mga ano. So, kung gusto nating mabuhay ng mahaba, watch our health and our food too that we eat every day.
We should have taken the medicine, I told you. Why you don't listen to me? Huh? When I said take the medicine, take the medicine.
Baby, it's very hard to find kasi I will get peace if I find it. If I start to look for something and I couldn't find right
the
away,
medicine is in my bag.
I will get peace.
The medicine is in
That
my
is
bag.
starting in the day, start of the day, in the early in the morning. Just put it in the headboard and I will get that in the morning tomorrow.
I'll put it.
So wala na kasi ako guys hiniinom na gamot na kaya ng doktor about sa polyps. Pero meron naman yung bigay din ng doktor yon for acidity. Kasi noon hindi ako nagkaka-acidity kasi nga uminom ako ng gamot. Sorry. Pero dito ako kasi hindi ako ubos na. Last trip namin, nung pauwi namin dito, wala na akong gamot. Pero meron pa rin. Ibig sabihin, ibang klase naman. Yun for acidity lang. Yung isang para sa polyps. So, after 6 months, I need to go back there to remove the polyps. So, hindi na tayo dati. Nauubos ko yung isang tuna sandwich. Ngayon, hindi na. I need to lose weight talaga.
So 70,005. That's 105.
So, 17,000 krona. 105,000. Sa pera natin, guys.
100,000.
100,000, 103.
18,000 is 105,000.
Hindi ko na rin kaya, guys. Sarap niya. Kaya lang hindi na kaya ng mamaya na lang. Mamamaya muna tayo. So, kamusta naman kayo, guys? Pababalot natin. Tanong natin kung magkano bill natin. Ate, magkano bill namin? Tsaka pwedeng ipapak tong ano. Ito hindi namin ganun ubusin. Pa-take out. Ang haba ng buhok ko, guys. Tapos susuklay. Nasa galaan na ako. Hindi pa ako susuklay. 7:45. Give me the 100 that you want to give to Kuya for merienda. So guys, nakita namin yung mga traffic enforcer natin dito. So nag-aabot talaga kami sa kanila ng merienda. So 7:45 itong sandwich namin guys, pati smoothie. Okay?
Where's the rest? In the back?
What is in the rest?
The towel.
Here.
Okay. Now there's the back.
We have a lot of rooms here. For the... Ayan guys, bibigyan niya ako ng pera. How much you will give me money? How much you will give me money?
100,000.
Yeah, that is... I think is okay, it's enough. Ay, salamat. Oo, ipaano na lang. Here's yours. Mabusog kami agad.
Pati ba ba yung drinks?
Ito iinumin
No,
niya.
I was like,
Salamat. Tsaka guys, wala siyang pera talagang hawak. Nasa akin pera niya. Kaya siguro yung 100,000 arte. Joke lang. Nangiinis kasi ako eh. Meron tayong 700. Ayun, 700 something. 745. Ay, po chicks. Ayaw ko na makikita. Tapos masal ka loob. Bumati. Parang taba-taba ako sa camera ko. Pero okay lang. Ano natin yun.
that's in euros.
The 100,000? It's like a...
10 euros?
Hold on. 1,000
No,
euros,
no,
60,000.
the sandwiches.
The sandwich, 710 euros. I think 13 euros.
We pay the same price.
The same? He's so sweet. My baby ko, he love me so much. Do you love me, baby?
What do you think?
I don't think so. Na, ha?
Bakit?
Wala lang.
I love you. Mahal kita.
From the bottom of your intestine.
From the bottom of my asshole.
Nasa mana. So, namili din kami guys nito. Ayan. Take time. Ayan. At kasi nga guys, pag gabi, nagugutom ako. Kasi hindi ako masyadong nagkakain ngayon. So, kumakain ako ng fishball, bawal lang nga sa kanyang mga oil. Ayan. So, bumili na tayo ng oatmeal na biscuit. Ganun. Kailangan talaga lumiit ang katawan ko. Ang laki-laki ng katawan ko guys. Diyos ko. Dati ko 66. Nung napunta ako ng Croatia, hindi ako nagkakain. Naging 68. Pero nung nagkakain ako 66. Nung hindi ako nagkakain. Kasi nga gusto ko nga pumaya. Tsaka wala nga kasi mga pagkain natin. Kaya hindi ako masyadong makakain. Yun, 68. Sakla. Sige na guys, bye-bye na guys. Uwi na kami. After na siya. Salamat. Uwi na tayo. Masalubong natin to kala Kuya Dingo tsaka kay Kuya. So tara na guys.